Okay, so yesterday something happened for Osun State. Governor Adeleke has suspended, some news say sack, but not be sack, not suspend, has suspended the chief judge, Justice Adeleke of Osun State. Now that's not the news. The issue here is that there has been a process. The House of Assembly now start the process to suspend the chief judge. But the chief judge went to court and got a court injunction restraining the governor from suspending her. Somehow, Governor Adeleke went ahead to approve the suspension of the chief judge yesterday, told the vice deputy governor to swear in the next in command, the next senior justice, to become the chief judge of the state against the order of the court. Let me show you. Despite an order of the National Industrial Court restraining Osun State Governor Adeleke from removing or interfering with the judiciary, the governor has approved the suspension of the chief judge, Justice Adeleke Ojo. A statement issued by the governor's spokesperson, Olawale Rasheed, on Thursday stated that the governor approved the resolution of the House of Assembly asking the chief judge to step aside over the allegation of misconduct. Nigerian Tribune has earlier reported that Justice Ojo dragged Adeleke to court and secured an injunction to restrain the governor from removing her. However, on Thursday evening, Adeleke said he has approved the resolution of the Osun State House of Assembly asking the Osun State Chief Judge Adeleke Ojo to step aside pending investigation of allegations of misconduct, abuse of power, corruption, and disregard for the rule of law against her by the House of Assembly. It reads partly. According to Rasheed's statement, the State House of Assembly, after its resolution on Thursday on the floor of the House, however, resolved that the next in order of seniority to Justice Adeleke Ojo be sworn in immediately to avoid any vacuum in the third arm of government in Osun State. The House had earlier stated that based on various petitions received against the Chief Judge of Osun State, bordering on gross misconduct, abuse of office, corruption, and lack of respect for due process and rule of law, this Honorable House, in performance of its oversight functions and exercise of its investigative powers vested by the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended. Adeleke's spokesperson stated further that the House resulted that the Committee on Judiciary, Public Petitions and Legal Matters investigate the petitions against the Chief Judge of Osun State, Honorable Justice Adeleke Ojo, by inviting the Chief Judge to and report to the House within 7 days from today. That pending the outcome of the investigation, the Chief Judge of Osun State, Honorable Justice Adeleke Ojo, should step aside, not for any disciplinary action, but to allow for proper investigation of the allegations. That's why she steps aside. Pending the investigation, the executive governor should immediately swear in the next judge in order of seniority as the acting Chief Judge of Osun State. The executive should immediately notify the National Judicial Council and the State Judicial Service Commission of the resolution of this House immediately for their awareness. That the clerk of the House should forward the resolution of the House to the executive, the National Judicial Council, and the State Judicial Service Commission. Meanwhile, following the approval of the resolution of the House by the governor, the deputy governor has been directed by the governor to perform the swearing-in ceremony of the acting Chief Judge of Osun State, which should be held today, supposed to be tomorrow, but today, at the Executive Lounge, Governor's Office, Osogbo, he concluded. So let me understand. Did that see Governor Governor Adeleke, the House of Assembly of Osun State, said there are petitions and allegations against the Chief Judge, Abi? Now, they said they want to suspend Chief Judge. Chief Judge can't go court. Can't get, because it's within the right of the House of Assembly to want to suspend the Chief Judge if they are questionable characters. Now, Chief Judge can't go court. Go get court injunction for probably a younger colleague who is a judge in that court. Where to court and collect court injunction to stop the dancing governor, Adeleke, from removing her. The dancing governor danced ahead and finally removed her, disobeyed court order, and removed the Chief Judge. Let's just agree at this junction. Can we all just agree? Agree that all our courts in this country, may they convert her to pet Niger shop. May boys say they play too sure. say they carry 2 words because people like say they don't use. Let me say people like say they are not totally useless in this country. Just leave boys. Make we put bed Naija banner, sporting bed banner. Make we put laptop. Make we go dey play our 2 odd. You know get wetin we dey use judiciary do again. Everybody can disobey court order. Release for where? Court say release Nnamdi for where? Court say release Emefiele for where? Even NS when they about bath. Court say not go on strike for where? So it is now left to the person who lost the case to agree whether he wants to obey court judgment or not. Let's just turn on the court to where we take play bet Naija. Okay, if you don't want bet Naija, more turn out to Ashawo quarter. Make boys they go 1 round. I beg. I don't waste our time. Tomorrow now, when the flight leaves Nigeria and go to Saudi Arabia, and Saudi Arabia repatriates them, Nigerians will be shouting that it is not legal. It is not constitutional. Meanwhile, for our own country, we don't get constitution. Our constitution, they don't carry and keep away the same ball. They don't say same ball. It don't get used. It don't get used. Chai. Are we not gradually becoming a lawless country where the rule of law does not exist? Is this still what they call democracy? Or is this a bureaucracy, powerocracy, government of those with power for power, and by power it is totally wrong. Here's the Momodu. Come and defend your guy now because if now need they say not shake, it's not going to take you 2 hours. You have defended him. Alpha, come and tell us. Did Governor Adeleke flout court order or not? Did he disobey court order or not? Everybody here dey craze for Nigeria. If you check and now, even the court order, the judge will give us you to figure mental problem. I never just carry this country, but we put up for him, make them sell and make them share the money we don't do again.